Hello and welcome back viewers. Now in this lesson we are going to learn what is chart in chart indicator, what is the importance of chart in chart indicator, how it is going to help us in our trading. Okay, so it is one of those indicators from our premium apps and now we will see its setup and our other features. Okay, so let's start. Basically chart in chart indicator looks like this. Here we can see price action of another pair on the main chart of any pair. Okay, it is showing us the price action of an additional symbol in sub window on the main chart. Here we will get a sub window like in this chart we can see we have two charts, two pairs. Okay, and here we can add multiple copies of the indicator to a chart to show multiple extra symbols. Okay, chart in chart indicator is also showing us invert prices. Invert prices is like, for example, if we have euro USD, then it will be written as USD EUR. Okay, so chart in chart indicator is showing us price action of extra pair in a subchart window on the main chart. Okay, so now we will see it set up on our MT4. So to get chart in chart indicator, first of all make sure that from the tools options allow automated trading and allow DLL imports are checked. Okay, and then go to navigator and from the series of our indicators just click here chart in chart, double click, and in the command tab make sure that allow DLL imports are clicked. Okay, so here we got chart of euro USD. This is euro USD chart. Okay, now we will see some more settings of. For that just right click and then go to indicators list, highlight it. Okay, just highlight it and then go to edit. Then here in the input we can select our desired pair. Okay, to get any pair right here with capital letters. Okay, for example if I want to write GBP USD, I will write it here and then I will get GBP USD chart. Press OK. So right now here you can see I have got GBP USD chart. Okay, then we will highlight it and then we will edit it. Okay, so our next option is invert prices. What is the meaning of invert prices? For example, it is already GBP USD, so if we will press yes, it will be USD GBP. Okay, so right now our chart is changed and here you can see it is USD GBP. Okay, so this is invert opposite of that. Then we can choose our draw style like candles, close line, etc. Like for example I will choose here high and low lines, then I will press OK. So you can see it is changed right now, and similarly we can choose bullish and bearish candle colors. Okay, and here we can add any type of indicator whatever we want. Okay, like for example if I want simple moving average and then I will press OK. So you can see it right now, this yellow line is small moving average which I have added here. Okay, in this way we can add some more indicators. We can add invert option. Okay, we can change our draw style, we can change candle colors also. So this was the explanation of what is chart in chart indicator. Okay, and how we can set up this indicator. Okay, thank you so much.